students, now in last article and last video, we will see the relation between surface tension and surface energy. After that, definition of angle of contact. Now in today's lecture, we start a new question. That question should be asked. The question should be asked, what is meant by angle of contact? Explain why the free surface of some liquid in contact with a solid is not horizontal, or sometimes they may ask another type of that question, explain the formation of concave and concave surface of liquid on the basis of molecular theory. Now our article name is shape of meniscus. Here we see first case, number 1 for concave meniscus. When meniscus means when we write the liquid in a capillary tube, the position of liquid is called as meniscus. Here consider this figure for concave meniscus. Here we have to take three parts. First type is for liquid, second is solid, and third is air. That means when we take a beaker and in that beaker we take a pure water or pure kerosene and glass. So when liquid which partially wet, the solid, so that is the case here for a concave meniscus. For that, consider a molecule capital A on surface of liquid. Here this is the particle A which is in contact with solid and liquid. Here dotted portion is known as sphere of influence. Here AP is called as adhesive force, that is the force of attraction between this liquid and glass. Then AC is known as cohesive force. The force of attraction between water molecules is known as cohesive force. Then we write it AR. AR is the resultant force which is directed outward to the solid surface. Here AT is a tangent drawn from a point of contact of solid and liquid. Here theta is the angle. Here AR is the net force which is directed inside the solid. Here tangent AT is perpendicular to AR. This AT is perpendicular to AR. So angle of contact is acute here. Acute means which is less than 90 degree. So this is the example of kerosene and glass. Here in this case, AP is greater than AC. AP means adhesive force which is greater than cohesive force. So we get the shape of meniscus is the concave here. So this is the first case. Similarly, we see second case for convex meniscus, when meniscus of the liquid surface is convex. For that, we consider liquid which do not wet solid. Here angle of contact is obtuse. Obtuse means which is greater than 90 degree. This is the example of mercury and glass. Here in this figure also AC is the cohesive force. It is so large and it is directed inside the liquid. AR is normal to the tangent. AR, it is normal to the tangent AT. This is the tangent one. Then that is the angle between. This is represented by letter theta. Here AR is normal to the tangent AT and AT is perpendicular to AR. Here AT which is perpendicular to that AR. So AP is less than AC. AP is adhesive force which is less than AC is a cohesive force. So therefore, which is the angle which is made by liquid, it is the obtuse angle, and the surface of meniscus is the convex here. Now we consider our third figure. In third figure, there is a zero angle of contact. Similar figure, there is a solid portion, liquid portion, air portion. We consider a molecule A, there is a sphere of influence for molecule A. AP is again adhesive force. AR is a resultant of that force. AT is a tangent which is drawn perpendicular here. So liquid which completely wet, then angle of contact is zero. This happens in pure water and pure glass. Here liquid molecule near contact region is so less, here is that point, which are so less, so cohesive force is negligible here. Therefore, AT is a tangent along the wall within the liquid. This is tangent drawn within the liquid. Here AP is equal to AR. AP means adhesive force which is equal to that resultant of that force, AP equal to AR. So AP is very strong here. That means adhesive force is very strong here. So the angle of contact between this point is zero, and when this occurs when liquid which completely wet the solid. Now we consider fourth case. For fourth case, angle of contact is 90 degree, and there is a condition for convexity and concavity. For that again we consider same figure. There is the point A of molecule. This dotted region represents sphere of influence. AP is again, it is equal to adhesive force. AR is the resultant of that force. AC is a cohesive force. Here AC, net cohesive force, is exactly at 45 degree. So resultant force AR is vertical along the side, along the solid surface. So we have to calculate the value of AP. To calculate value of AP, we have to consider here. Here there is the angle sin theta. So sin theta is equal to RC divided by AC, opposite side upon hypotenuse. But we know that in this parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Therefore, we write RC equal to AP. When we substitute value of RC equal to AP, we get sin theta equal to AP divided by AC. Now cross multiply, therefore we get AP equal to AC sin theta. But we know that the angle sin theta is equal to 45, and sin of 45 degree is equal to 1 upon under root 2. Now substitute this value here, we get AP equal to AC divided by root 2. So this is the condition. Now we see condition for concave meniscus and concave meniscus. For concave meniscus, we have to write here AP it is greater than AC upon under root 2. So this is the condition for concave meniscus, that is the condition for convexity. Now we find out condition for concavity. We know that for convex surface there is AP is less than AC. Therefore we write AP which is less than AC under root 2. So this is the condition for convex meniscus. So that is about the shape of meniscus here. So our next article is shape of liquid drop on a solid surface. For consider a liquid drop at equilibrium on surface of glass plate. Here we have to take a glass plate. In this glass plate we have to drop a liquid drop. Then there are three forces, that is T1, T2, T3. These are three forces. And there are three surfaces. This is solid surface, this surface is a liquid surface, this is the air surface. So there is an angle between these two. So T1 is known as force due to surface tension for solid liquid surface. Solid liquid surface, this is the force T1. Now we find second force. So this force T2 is a force due to surface tension for solid and air. There is a air. So solid air surface. And third, T3 is a force due to surface tension for liquid air surface. So these are three, T1, T2 and T3 are three forces. Now we find here there is an angle theta. Theta is the angle of contact between solid and liquid pair. For equilibrium of drop, when drop is in equilibrium position, then we find here this diagram can be drawn here. So this is a T1, T2 and T3. So we will take only this force T1, T2 and T3 are these three forces. Now this T3 force can be resolved into two components. Number one, T3 cos theta is the horizontal component and T3 sin theta is the vertical component. So we have to write here T2 is when this drop is in equilibrium position, then T2 can be balanced by this T3 cos theta plus T1. So we write here for equilibrium of drop T3 cos theta along T1 and its resultant is equal to T1 plus T3 cos theta, which is balanced by T2. So we write here therefore T2 is equal to T1 plus T3 cos theta, or we write here we have to find out value of cos theta. Therefore we get cos theta is equal to T2. Take this term to left hand side, it will subtract 52 minus T1. So there is a multiplication when we take into left hand side, it goes to dividend. So it is equal to cos theta is equal to T2 minus T1 upon T3. So we call this as equation number 1. So from equation number 1 we can write there are four cases. So we take our first case. What happens if T2 is greater than T1, then cos theta is positive. When cos theta becomes positive, then theta is less than 90 degree. When the angle which is less than 90 degree, it is called as acute angle. So we got theta is the acute which is shown in figure A. So this is figure for a acute angle which is represented by case number 1. Now we see case number 2. For case number 2, if we take this T2 is less than T1, this T2 which is less than T1, then what happens? Cos theta will be negative. When cos theta is negative, then that angle theta which is lies between 90 degree to 180 degree, that means theta is the obtuse angle which is shown in figure B. So this is the angle which is known as obtuse angle when we take a drop of mercury and it is placed on a glass plate, then we see this type of diagram. Now we find out case number 3. For case number 3, if T2 minus T1 is equal to T3, then cos theta will be equal to 1. When cos theta will be equal to 1, then we get theta is equal to 0. Then that angle should be 0. There is no angle. That means when a pure water is in contact with a glass plate, this is no angle. And fourth case, if T2 minus T1 which is greater than T3, then cos theta should be greater than 1. which is impossible, so liquid will spread over the surface of solid and drop will not fall. So this is about the shape of liquid drop on a solid surface for an acute angle and obtuse angle.